The MAXVAC Dura DV80-MBN is an M-class twin motor vacuum. Weighing just 20 kilos, this 80-litre heavy-duty machine is perfect for large-scale floor cleanup. With the fixed floor bar, it is built for large-scale heavy-duty cleaning tasks in warehouses, industrial settings and construction scenarios. It can clean wet and dry. It boasts a twin motor system for an exceptional 2,400 watt power. Due to its sturdy metal castors and non-mark wheels, it can be used on a variety of surfaces. The drum and motor housing are built to last. Highly adaptable and arriving with a 12-month warranty, the DV80 is the peak of industrial and commercial cleaning. An optional magnet bar is available separately. It benefits from a lengthy 10-metre cable. With hose connectivity of 45mm and 220 millibars of pressure, it remains MAXVAC's premium industrial vacuum for usability and adaptability.